Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're bringing you the best white S-hook on the market, the Dingee 3-inch vinyl-coated S-hook. This pack of 10 heavy-duty hooks isn't just functional, it's the perfect balance of durability, grip, and versatility. If you've been searching for the ultimate hanging solution in your kitchen, closet, garden, or workspace, stay tuned, because this might be exactly what you need. Let's dive right into what makes the Dingee white S-hooks stand out from the rest. First, they're made of strong, high-quality steel and measure 3 inches in length. A perfect size for most indoor and outdoor hanging needs. What truly sets them apart, though, is the vinyl coating. This thick white coating isn't just for aesthetics. It serves a practical purpose, giving the hooks a non-slip surface so items stay securely in place without sliding off. That's especially useful when hanging smooth or lightweight items. These hooks are incredibly versatile. Whether you want to hang pots and pans in your kitchen, jeans or handbags in your closet, or even plants, lights, and decorations in your garden, these S-hooks deliver. Their strength allows them to hold up heavier items like tools or cast iron cookware, while the rubber coating keeps even delicate items like jewelry or accessories scratch-free. It's that unique combination of strength and gentleness that makes these hooks so handy around the home. Let's talk installation, or rather, the lack of it. These hooks require zero tools. You simply hook one end onto a rod, rack, or wire shelf, and the other end is ready to hold your item. It's that easy. No drilling, no screws, no damage to walls or ceilings. If you're someone who rents or prefers damage-free hanging options, this is ideal. Now, about the design. The S-shape is timeless and functional. It's efficient, allowing you to hang multiple items in tight spaces without clutter. And thanks to the white vinyl coating, these hooks blend well with most decor. Whether you use them in a rustic kitchen, modern bathroom, or industrial workspace, they won't look out of place. In fact, they almost disappear, putting the focus on your organization and display. Another great feature is their portability. Since you don't mount them permanently, you can easily move them from one location to another. You could be organizing your closet one day, and using the same hooks to hang herbs or plants outside the next. It's a product that adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. The Dingee white S-hooks also come in a convenient 10-pack, giving you plenty of options without having to purchase multiple sets. That's great value for the price, and you're not compromising on quality. Home organizers, DIY decorators, renters, gardeners, parents, students, crafters, these hooks serve so many purposes. They're safe, strong, attractive, and ridiculously easy to use. Whether you're adding function to a cramped dorm room or simply want a neater kitchen setup, this is one of those small investments that pays off daily. To wrap up, if you've been hunting for the best white S-hook, this is it. The Dingee 3-inch vinyl-coated S-hooks offer a blend of simplicity, strength, and style that's hard to beat. For kitchen, closet, garden, or garage, this pack of 10 gives you the flexibility to organize your space the smart way. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on everyday products that make life just a little bit easier. See you in the next video.